Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Lavanya and I am from Chhattisgarh. So today I would like to talk about how to learn new skills. So you really want to talk and you really want to improve your new skills and you really want to learn new skills. So please stick my video start to end. So
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया।
without any further delay, I start this video. So what kind of skills you want to? Like what? Nowadays, digital era must important to learn and must important to grow ourselves. Indian people nowadays very crazy about to what? Job, government job and private job, and you really want to achieve new job and you really want to achieve related to improve our communication skills and improve your learn new we will do like how to learn thumbnail and how to learn editing. Like what? Video editing. I'm talking about video editing and what? Web page. So that kind of, nowadays AI, it's in our surrounding and in our skills important our role. Our what? In Indian people, everyone want to learn new skills related to AI, you know, while you are making thumbnail and making video. So at that time, you put picture related to AI. So you get what? Lot of view and achieve, and your video also attract more viewers. So what we will do? So you have leisure time. So at that times you have a smartphone. Yeah, now you are in village area. Okay, and I am also village area, but I am staying in urban area. And people, village people nowadays improve our spoken English and even learn new thing. I give one example. Yesterday I talk one guy, he is in village area and he again.
Of course, I get motivated from them, and the way they are living their life is fantastic. I also try to live, of course, live my life the way they are living. So it's great, because if you are alone, and how can you recognize all the thing in this life? Life is so like big, so we have to learn so many things from other people. And if I talk about our near
Again and again saying, Lavanya, I want to talk with you. I want to talk with you. Please, when you have free time, so please you give me your PCS time and I want to make video. He said. So actually, you know very well, I'm a businesswoman girl and I didn't have that much time. So that's why I hold engage my shop, and sometimes when I have free time, so I listen more and more English video. So I said, like morning 10:30 to 12 afternoon I'm available. So at that times I give time and then we had conversation. I upload also my YouTube channel. His guy name is Gyan, and he is speaking very nicely and he is speaking very well just because he utilize time and he know how to learn new skills. So that's why he knows everything. And you really want to improve your spoken English and you really want to learn new things. So what we will do? Every person have good phone. So don't think what I will do and what can I do and what kind of methods I improved, so it's helpful for me. So don't waste your time, you utilize your time, and then you have a smartphone, so you can go YouTube and then search how to learn English, how to make thumbnail, how to make editing, how to learn editing. And me, I'm also, earlier I don't know how to edit video, and I don't know how to make thumbnail. And even earlier, I'm also, even in my side, I don't know how to speak in English. But now I speak English very fluently, just because I'm, you know, just because my confidence. Now, because my confidence it's over the moon, and you have also lot of confidence, so you whatever you want to achieve, you can achieve easily. Just because, and we are thinking, like I'm underconfident, and I didn't want. Yes, I want to learn new skills, and what kind of process, and then it's helpful for me. So don't waste your time. You utilize your time, and don't scroll your phone whole day, whole night. You utilize your time and go YouTube, go Google, and you utilize your time and you search related to whatever you want to learn related to skills. Why I am saying, because nowadays, people engaging social media, and you really want to learn new skills. So first you think, simultaneously we think, and at that times we write. And you think in English, you read in English, and you speak in English. So you really want to achieve your fluent. You achieve your fluency also. So why I am saying, because nowadays every people want to achieve our goal, and I'm in this position. So what we will do, we think in our mind, now I'm in this position, मैं ऐसा क्या करूं जिससे हमको वो हर एक चीज मिल जाए. So don't waste your time. Whatever you think, so you can go your YouTube and then you search, because every people wants to learn new skills. बाहर रहो, ये मैटर नहीं करता है, आप घर में भी बैठ करके पैसे कमा सकते हो easily. How to make money? Now suppose I'm in businesswoman girl. I'm giving just example, like I'm in businesswoman girl and you are job holder, and you want to what? Earn money. So what we will do? So you learn new skills. I am saying, I am giving one example related to village boy, and other I give one example related to also Dehati ma'am. You heard about she has good command in English, and she has million people. She has good at in English, and she has you know Dehati also village area, but she knows English very well, and now she has million subscriber, just because she has what, good at in English and good what skills. just because, and she earn lot of money, just because she utilize her time, and you also utilize your time. So don't waste your time. More you listen, in our child. So जब हम चिल्ड्रन होते हैं तो बहुत सारे चीजों को सुनते हैं। हमको हिंदी आती थी क्या नहीं आती थी, जब हम छोटे बच्चे थे तो हमको हिंदी आती थी क्या नहीं आती थी। हमको तो हिंदी का कुछ भी नहीं पता था, हमको छत्तीसगढ़ी आती थी कि नहीं आती थी। बट हम अपने पापा मम्मी से सुन के इतना सीख गए हैं कि हम एकदम ज्यादा फ्लुएंट हो गए हैं इंग्लिश में, सॉरी हिंदी में और छत्तीसगढ़ी में। सो फर्स्ट यू लिसन more and more whatever you want to listen related to only English. And me, I'm also, I'm listen every day at least 3 hours every day. Sometimes in what happen in my side, I'm engaged my shop and I'm engaged my house and chores. So at that times I put earbuds in my ear and then I'm listening more and more. चलो समझ में नहीं आता है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बट आप जैसे सुनोगे धीरे न कभी तो कभी समझ तो आएगा। हाँ, गो मतलब जाना होता है, आई मतलब मैं हूँ, मार्केट मतलब ये होता है कि बाजार। तो more you listen, whatever you want to listen, only listen English related content. So one day what happen? You will definitely achieve your fluency. Because without listening, without reading, without speaking, how is it possible learn this language? This is our not a mother tongue. This is not our language. And you really want to learn this language. So what we will do? Don't think I'm underconfident, I'm feeling hesitant. So don't think. Whatever you want to think and whatever you want to learn and whatever you want to related to you purchase related to self-help book, related to power up subconscious mind and another like newspaper. आप पैसे वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहते हैं, you didn't want to waste your money. So what we will do, like you didn't have any money but आपके पास स्मार्टफोन तो है ना। Every people have smartphone, good smartphone. So you utilize your smartphone, you don't know English, अंग्रेजी में बातचीत कैसे करना सीखें। आप बोलो एंड वो गूगल आपको दिखा देगा, यूट्यूब आपको दिखा देगा कि ये रही वीडियो, आप उसमें जाके टिक करो एंड देन यू लर्न। एंड यू डिडंट वांट टू बाय एनी बुक, सो यू हैव न्यूज़पेपर आल्सो। आपके पास न्यूज़पेपर भी नहीं है, चलो ठीक है कि आप उसमें भी पैसे वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहते हो, तो फिर उसमें भी आप पैसे वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहते हो तो आपके पास फोन भी है। आप सर्च करोगे टुडे न्यूज, सो उसमें पूरा न्यूज आ जाएगा, तो उस चीज को भी आप सीख सकते हो। आपको कार्टून वीडियो देखना है, स्टार्टिंग में लाइक कैसे सीखना है, ग्रामर से रिलेटेड कैसे सीखना है, डू डस का प्रयोग कैसे करते हैं, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस क्या है, सिंपल कंटिन्यूअस टेंस क्या है, एवरीथिंग, एवरी वीडियो आपको यूट्यूब में मिल जाएगा। आप सर्च करो वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू लर्न, सो you can learn. Don't waste your time. You really want to see higher post, so must learn this language. Why I am forcing, earlier I am facing lot of struggle related to this language, so that's why I am saying, one of my friend, she She said, Lavanya, I know English little bit, like related to hi, hello, what are you doing, that kind of only. Okay, and she said, I know English, I read English, I write English, but while I am speaking, so I feel hesitant. I am not गुड एट इन इंग्लिश. सो उन्होंने पता है जब वो इंटरव्यू के लिए गई थी, आई गिव वन एग्जाम्पल, जब वो इंटरव्यू के लिए गई थी तो उसको इंग्लिश में क्वेश्चन किया और वो बोली कि उसको तो रखने के लिए भी रेडी हो गए थे वहां के लोग कि चल इसको रख लेते हैं, हमारा काम ये अच्छा जानती है, बट उसने क्या किया, उस जॉब को छोड़ दिया और वो जॉब था 15,000 का, अब वो अभी जो करी है वो 12,000 का है. जस्ट उसने इसलिए छोड़ा कि क्योंकि शी डोंट नो हाउ टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. जब वो अर्लियर पूछेंगे, जब मैं वो जॉब करना चालू कर दूंगी और जब मेरे को पूछेंगे और मैं इंग्लिश में बोल नहीं पाऊंगी तो मेरे को बहुत ही ज्यादा एम्बैरेस फील होगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई शी डिसाइडेड आई लेफ्ट दिस जॉब एंड नाउ शी डूइंग अनदर जॉब ओनली 12,000 रुपीज. तो 3,000 का डिफरेंस हो रहा है इसमें. किसके वजह से? ओनली इंग्लिश की वजह से. एंड यू रियली वांट टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश and you really want to enhance your body and you really want to learn this language, so don't waste your time. You can every day at least listen half an hour, at least listen 10 मिनट अपने को, 10 minutes reading practice and 10 minutes writing practice. Why I am giving writing practice example? One example I give writing practice. Earlier what happened in my side, I don't know, while I am writing, so at that times, I am making lot of mistake and I am continuously, now I am doing also, and earlier I am also like 6 months continuously I am doing writing, and now I am also writing while I have free time. So I am writing whatever think on my mind and then I am writing, so now I am not making any mistake just because my writing practice. जितना लिखोगे तो आप जितना भी मिस्टेक पहले करते थे ना वो अभी नहीं होगी. क्यों? क्योंकि know what now we are writing. जितना आप लिखोगे उतना आप फ्लुएंट होते जाओगे. ओके, तो लिखना है, पढ़ना है, सुनना है और बोलना है. ओके, so now wrap up this session because already I done 19 minutes. So be positive, be healthy, and what you learn new skills. So bye and take care. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. So please what, मैं तो बोलना भूल गई जो सब यूट्यूबर बोलते हैं, मैं भी तो एक यूट्यूबर हूँ. तो क्या बोलना है? सब्सक्राइबर के लिए तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि मेरे को तो सब्सक्राइबर चाहिए. तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्लीज स्टे माय चैनल एंड लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और जितना से जितना हो सके प्लीज आप लोग मेरा वीडियो को शेयर करो. बाय एंड टेक केयर.